Hello guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to create a database for installing your script. Okay, now before you install any script you need to have a database for it, and I'll be showing you an easy way of how to create a database for installing your script. But before you be able to do that, we need to have an active domain hosting account. Okay, so I will recommend Namecheap because they are very reliable and they have 99% uptime with good support. Okay, now in the video description you will see a link. Follow that link and you get a Namecheap hosting at an affordable price. You get it at a cheaper price. So once you've gotten your domain and your hosting and you've logged into your cPanel, this is your cPanel and this is how it looks like. Okay, so once you've logged into your cPanel, you go to scroll down to databases now. So once you are here, you click on the database wizard, this option. Okay, so now the first step is to create a database. Now you are going to give it a name, a unique name, something that you'll be able to remember. For this video I'll be using demo. So now the second step is creating a user. Now you need to, we've created a database and we want to create a user that will have access to this database. Okay, so now I'll give it another name, demo. You can decide to give this a different name. Okay, so it must not be the same name. So but be sure that whatsoever name you are using, you'll be able to remember it in case when you are installing your script. Okay, now the next thing is to put in a strong password. You need to put in strong password. Now you type the password here. Now you repeat the password again to be sure that you are using the exact password, and it needs to be strong. So once you've done that, you click on create user. Now this is the final step. This is the final step. As you can see, this is your username, this is the database, this is my username, this is the database. So in case you use different names, you will see it here too. So now what you have to do here is to check this option, all privileges. Okay, now this means you are giving access, you are giving this user the privilege to access this database, to be able to edit, to be able to add and any other things. So you are giving it full access, full privilege to this database. If you don't do this, you won't be able to access the database and you won't be able to install those scripts. Okay, so you need to give the user access. So once you've done this, you've checked these options are checked, you click on next. Now that is it, that is all. Very simple. Okay, now this is your username and this is the database name. Now you can copy this somewhere and use while installing your script. Now let's assume that you use different names for a different name for the database and a different name for the user, and you forgot the names you used. You can always go back to the cPanel. So you scroll down to the databases option. Now this is the databases option. You come to MySQL databases, you click on it. Now you will see the list of all the databases and the users you've created. Now this is under database, current databases. This is the database we just created. Okay, now you can also rename it. Now if you also scroll down, you will see the user we created for this, and you can also change the password. So in case you forgot, you can always come back here and check. Now we've created our database and we've created the user and given that user access. Okay, now the next thing for you to do is to upload your script to your server and start the installation process. Okay, but this is the first step. This is the first step. Once again, if you want to get a reliable hosting for your script, I highly recommend Namecheap, and from the description of this video you will see a link that will enable you to get the hosting, Namecheap hosting, at a very affordable price. Okay, you get it at a discount, So if you have any questions, you can drop a comment on this video and I will try my best to reply to answer all your questions. Now the next step is for you to upload your scripts to your server and start the installation process. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to create a crypto investment website in easy steps. Okay, so now this is a crypto investment website where people can invest their money in crypto. These are the basic plans, so they can invest and get return of investment. It could be daily, it could be weekly, it could be monthly, it could be yearly, however you want to set it. So these are the payment plans, and this is the demo of this crypto investment website. So you can customize this to your needs. Okay, so if you want to have something like this, I will implore you pay a very close attention to how we are going to install this. Okay, so I believe you have your domain and hosting, because that's the first thing you need to do before you start installing this script. You check on the video description, you are going to see the link to purchase a reliable hosting and get a discount at a discounted price, and you also get a link to get this script. Okay, so these are the two things you need. So just go to the video description, you will see the link to get the script, you see the link to purchase a reliable hosting at a cheaper price. So once you are done with that, you've gotten your hosting. Now the next step is to log into your cPanel. So let's go to the cPanel. Now this is our cPanel. This is how your cPanel should look. Now I believe that you've also created your database. I believe you've so. If you've not created your database, please watch the video on how to create a database for installing your script. Okay, so let's get right into it. Now if you've downloaded, I believe you've downloaded this script, so you have it on your system already. Now yeah, in the cPanel, let's go over to file manager, click on this. Okay, so you locate the place you want to. If you don't have any subdomain, you are using the root folder. Once you've come to this file manager, all you have to do is click on this public HTML. Now this is where you will upload your file. You just click on upload, then select the file wherever it is you downloaded it on your system, and that is it. So but I'll be using a subdomain, which is this, and I've already uploaded this. So if you've not uploaded yours, just click on this upload, locate the file, and then you upload. So once you are done uploading, you come here, click on the file, right click, and then extract. So we've extracted the file. Now we go over to our domain. So you open your domain. Now I'm going to refresh this. Okay, it's showing 500 error, which means this is not the install. But to be able to install the script for your domain, just go to your domain URL, add slash, then you type install, then you click on enter. Now this is the installation setup. So all you have to do is click on agree and continue. The minimum required PHP version is 7.4, and currently I am using 8.1, so everything is in order. Click on next. Now it requires 0775 permission for some folders. So what do we do here when you get to this stage? What you have to do is very simple. Just copy this. Now it says core bootstrap, catch this this cache, this folder needs this permission, so we'll go over to this, we'll go to core, bootstrap, this cache, just click on it, then you control V, paste this thing you copied, then save. Okay, so that is it. Make sure once you select this, you copy. Now the next one is core storage app, core storage framework, core storage logs. So let's go back. You click on up one level to go back. Okay, so the next one is this core storage. Now this is, let me go back, this is core, you click on it, then this is storage, this folder, you locate it, then you just click on it, it will open up, then you control V, then you open it again. This is core storage app. We are inside the storage folder now. This is it. You are inside the storage, so this is the app. You click, control V, save. The next one is framework, and the last one is logs. So this is framework, control V. This is logs, control V. Now that is it. Let's go back. Let's refresh this page. Okay, everything is now in order, so you click on next. Okay, now I'll just copy my website URL to paste here. That's all you need to do. Just do exactly what I'm doing. Copy your website URL and paste here. Then database host, type in localhost. Then for the database name, let's go to the cPanel to get to databases to get our database name. Okay, this is it. This is the database name, so I've copied it, I'll paste it. Database user, I'm using the same name, then the password. Okay, now set admin credentials, admin username, password, email, then you click on install now. If any of these details are wrong, it's going to give you an error, so make sure that they are correct. Okay, install now. You see, that is it, it has been installed. So we click on here, visit home page. That is it. This is our own. These are the plans, exactly as it is on the demo. So this is it. This is the demo. So it is, and this is our own. So let's close this demo. Now the next thing for you to do is to start customizing your website. Now you go to your site URL, then you click /admin. This will take you to the admin login option page. Then you put in your email address and your password. Click on login. Now this is the admin panel. Okay, so just like before, the first thing for you to do is to scroll down. You look for the settings option. General settings. This is where you change the site name to whatever you want. You set the site currency, the color. You can change your time zone. So This is where you change the copyright date and copyright name. So this is where you put in the email verification, whether you want users to submit KYC. If you want users to submit KYC, this is where you enable it. You enable this option. So that is it. Now this is your logo. You click here, you change your logo, you change the breadcrumb logo, the banner, anything that needs changing, you can change all this. So once you are done, you click on update settings. Okay, so just go through the options here. This is where you put in your this the email template, where you configure your email. This is the payment gateways. Okay, so whichever payment gateway you want to use, you click on it, put in the public key, the client key, or whatever, add the logo to it, then you save. Okay, now this is where you manage your plans, investment plans. So these are the demo investment plans. You can edit, you can delete. So you can edit, change the name, the amount, is it ranged, is it fixed amount, then the minimum, the maximum amount, the return of investment. It could be percentage or fixed, and then it could be daily, it could be 6 months, however you want it, the return for period or lifetime. So you set these, then you save. So just go through all these and you'll be able to customize it. So that's how you get your crypto investment website. If you have any questions regarding this, or you failed, you didn't get anything right, feel free to get in touch with me and I'll try my best to assist you. So that is it. That is how you install and your own investment website in minutes. I create an investment website in minutes. Okay, so that is it, guys. Okay, to change the front page, before I end this video, to change these details, the join HYIP Max community and all this, just go over to front end, the front end, this option, front end here, then you click on pages. These are the banners, this banner section, that is it. I think this is the banner section, this banner. Then you have the about us, this is the about us page. Then you have the feature section, the plan section. So you can always change all this. Okay, just go through them and change them as you want, change the content as you want. So once you are done, that is it, your site is live. Okay, thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something, that you'll be able to install this without any issues. Thank you, and I will see you guys in the next video.